How's it going, everybody? Tuesday, May 8th. Time for your weekly update. We're watching Emily take some pictures of Archie, the whiniest dog in the world, but a good dog nonetheless. It is a beautiful day. Today it was high 70s, low 80s, and man, just a darn near perfect spring day. So if you saw the time-lapse video, you can see that the biggest news this week is that I was able to get one of the end walls screened in, looking really good. I'm quite pleased with how that turned out. So this is the screen that I'll use for the other side. The garden's looking pretty good. Garlic, onions, lettuces, chards, cauliflower, onions, kale. Ugh. That all looks to be pretty good. We got some peas and some beans sprouting right now, so we'll have probably peas and beans at the end. Then cucumbers, watermelons, all the viney things will go out to the end, and those will kind of creep out a bit, I think is how we're gonna do that. So yeah, the wiggle wire is working, works great. Give you a look at that. So that channel that I was a bug on the wrong side of the screen. Get out of there. So yeah, the wiggle wire works real good, and it is strong. So you can see it just goes in that channel right there. Focus. So it goes in the channel. And it doesn't rip the screen. I mean, I did have like a little hole up here. I don't know how that appeared. That was when I unrolled it, that was there. So Emily has volunteered to make me a little patch. So then you can see I have this wiggle wire here. So it's on the other side. So when we put it on the screen that goes over the top, we'll fold it over and that will get wiggle wired into place here. So we have basically no seams. Little piece I need to snip off so you can see it goes over and then into the channel there, and then you snip it off at the end. And then I was gonna do 2 rows, wiggle wire here and a wiggle wire here, and I have enough, but I'm not 100% positive that I really need it all that bad, but we'll see. The dirt is looking good. I got 1 set of my heat cables done, looking real good there. And then the last of my amendments, I got my soils test back. I was really low in, not really, but I was low in iron. I need about 12 pounds of iron across the patch and about 6 pounds of nitrogen. So I have some alfalfa pellets, will help me with the nitrogen, and then a bunch of worm castings, some humic acid, some crab shell for calcium, little slow release calcium, and then some high porosity Pro Mix with mycorrhiza in there. So when we get back from vacation, I'll get this all squared away, tilled up one more time, because though I already tilled it once this year, just like I'm doing right now, I've walked all over it and totally negated it. I mean, it's still real nice and squishy, so it's not bad. You can see my foot sinking in there if I just step on it. And then today I was able to get this in wall framed out. All I have to do is add in the pieces of wiggle wire and the little 1x2 boards across the perimeter to give me a place to mount the wiggle wire. Other than that, that's really about it. Yeah, I would say one more full day of labor and I'll be there. So getting pretty excited. The plants are looking good. In fact, I'll pause it. We'll go look at the plants. And we're back with the plants. So I leave the garage door open. Some days I will roll them out, but the plants are looking really good. The watermelon's starting to do its thing. I still get like a little bit of leaf wrinkle there, which I don't know if that's just what watermelons do. I've never really grown a giant watermelon before. The 1938s are looking really good. The 2143s, I don't know, this was really weird. I had a leaf roast on me. I mean, that's the only thing I can figure it is. But, you know, the leaf above it, the leaf beside it, the young leaves over here, the kind of the special needs plant right here, everything else is fine. So I'm not sure why that really happened. And then the 1718, man, this 1718 right here is already starting to want to vine on me. So, whew, these are going to be, these are hands down, knock on wood, my best seedlings ever. I mean, they look just a-okay. But they have another week in the pots, unfortunately, because I am leaving out of town. Emily and I are going to Maui, for basically 6 days. We're leaving this coming Sunday and then coming back the following Saturday. So hopefully I can get them in the ground next Sunday. So today's what? Today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then 7 more. So 13 days. So they got 2 weeks left in these here pots. Ugh. These are going to be some big old pumpkin plants. Far too long to be in the pot, but one, I'm avoiding the snow, which, fun fact, it's supposed to snow on Saturday, so thank goodness I waited, because I don't want to go through everything I've gone through in the past. But, yeah, so I'm avoiding the snow, and basically just that, you know, giving them time to mature in here. I would rather have a bigger plant that maybe has just a touch of root binding, which is not that big of a deal, I don't think. Have a more well-off, well-started plant to go out there, because Colorado spring is unpredictable at best. But that's it, guys. I will probably do an update from Hawaii showing my progress of getting a sunburn. Hope y'all's season is going great. If you have any questions, reach out, ask. Always happy to help. We'll catch you next time.